Hey guys, and welcome to episode or check-in number 2 of my beard growth journey. If you are brand new here, my name's Thomas and I have just started my 3-month beard growth journey. So in my previous check-in or my first episode, I laid out the rules of what I would be doing. Rule number 1 was with shaving or grooming or tidying, if you like, I was only allowed to shave from here down. Everything from my chin strap up, I was gonna let grow and just see what it looks like, because I've never had a full beard before. Actually, what I've got right now is probably the longest I've ever let it get to. And we'll get into how I'm feeling about everything and what I'm doing to keep my beard in check. There was also a rule where I had to take a picture every single day over the next 3 months, and at the end of this, I'm going to be putting together a time lapse. So if all of this sounds really cool to you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and come back and visit me every month, okay? Because I'll be checking in pretty much every 4 weeks about where I'm at with my beard growth journey. And if you want to join in on the fun, I have been creating hair growth content for a really long time, and growing my beard out seems to be the next natural step for this. So we're testing all the things. I'm getting in on the beard action, and I encourage you to join me if you are interested. So firstly, what you are looking at right now is 4 weeks of beard growth. This is actually insane. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you. This is what we're looking like right now. It is super patchy. Usually with my beard, all I do is shave my neckline, I shave my cheeks, and I shave in here as well. So I always just have a chin strap and my little mow, but I keep them very trimmed so I don't let them get too long. And this is probably the longest I've ever let it grow without actually doing anything to it. I have shaved under here a few times, and this is how we're looking now. Seeing as the hair is only just a little bit longer than where I usually have it, I'm not actually feeling that insecure or, oh, I look shit about it at this very point. However, with the way it's growing and leaving these parts to just do their thing, I am noticing that there's a lot of patchiness, and I'm a little bit fearful about the next 4 weeks because it's going to be out of my comfort zone. This is probably the most comfortable I've been. When I checked in last time, I shaved my face completely. I'll just put a bit of B-roll over here right now. And that look with my no facial hair whatsoever terrifies me. I'm not happy when I look like that. And this usually is something that I am happy with. I feel like I'm looking like myself again, and it fills my face in. It's just my favorite look. So we'll have to keep growing to see what's happening. In my first episode as well, I did tell you guys that I was going to be using Regain or Rogaine, whichever you like. This is minoxidil, so it's a chemical that people use for regrowth or hair regrowth on their head, but I've also noticed around the internet a lot of people use it for beard growth, so I was interested in trying it out. And as of now, I'm going to be using the minoxidil to see if I can get some of this beard filled in or whatever. I was also going to film my first application in this video. However, I've decided to break it up into 2 videos just because I wanted to keep the check-in separate to me using actual products. It's a little bit different. So this video will be coming out on a Monday, and the first application of me using minoxidil and the foam will be coming out on Wednesday. Okay, so I'm going to give you a double whammy this week. So hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified when that comes out, because I will be using this. And I'm also going to be using it in conjunction with the Waterman's products. So this is the Waterman's Grow Me Serum. If you've followed my journey the whole way, you'll know the Waterman's products really helped me grow my hair a lot quicker. So there's tons of content floating around on my channel, on my blog about it. So if you want to go and check out more about them, go and do that. Or you can wait till Wednesday where I'm going to be doing a bit more about these and actually applying them, okay? I'm really excited to see how they go. The other thing I did want to mention to you as well is Ken Fryer from Waterman's as well. He's in the Facebook group. He noticed that I was doing my beard growth journey and offered to host a giveaway for you guys. So the Waterman's Grow Me shampoo and conditioner, these were the things that saved me during my hair growth journey, and we are currently running a giveaway, and the only way you can enter the competition is by going and checking out the Instagram or being part of the Facebook group. The details are all in there. I'm not going to talk too much about it on here, but there is a giveaway happening, so if you want to win your own Waterman's products, either head to my Thomas in Action Instagram, the Man Buns and Mains Instagram, or come and join the Facebook group. There'll be something in there with all the details. Okay, so that's product testing out of the way. That's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm very excited to see how all of those go in conjunction with each other. The other thing was, seeing as I'm on this beard growth journey, I was like, I don't know shit all about beards, so what am I gonna do here? And I did a little bit of research, I spoke to a few friends of mine that have beards, and the other things that I've learned two really good tips or takeaways in terms of getting your beard game on point. Number one is when your hair gets long enough or your beard gets long enough, most people actually have patchiness. They suffer from that. So how do people get around patchiness? Well, the thing is, when your beard hair gets long enough, people actually comb it down so that it covers a lot of the patchiness and it gives the illusion that the beard is more full. And I thought that was really, really cool. So I can't wait till mine gets that long. If it gets that long over this 3 months, I don't even know how I'm gonna look at the end of the 3 months. It's seriously gonna be a challenge. But yeah, that's a little tip that I got in my research. The other thing was beard oil. So beard oil, to my understanding, is kind of like argan oil for your beard. It makes it really soft and apparently it helps aid in growth as well. So I've got to do a little bit more research in how that actually works, but I think over the next 4 weeks I'll be looking at different beard oils, or if any of you have some really great suggestions for beard oils, I'd love to know about it in the comments section because I will be on the hunt for one very shortly. I've just kind of got to do one thing at a time because I tend to take on a million things at one time. So yeah, that's everything that's been happening. I have found it a little bit challenging. When I first started this too, I was like, oh, I have a work from home job where I don't have to go and talk to people. I don't have to be in a corporate environment. Funny I say that, right? Because as soon as I decided to do this beard growth journey, at my actual work, the work that I do with my dad's business, I was asked to film some videos, like business to customer videos where I talk and present, similar to what I do on here. And I was like, are you kidding? I am 4 weeks into growing my beard out and I look like a scruffy piece of shit. So yeah, that's been a little bit of a challenge. The other challenge I've been having is getting a photo every single day of this journey. You've got to really get into the routine of it. And anybody that's ever made any type of hair growth time lapse before, taking one picture a day, kudos to you, respect, because it is a hard thing to do. And remember, I'm like, shit, I think there's been about 2 or 3 days where I just completely forgot and I was like, But most of the time I have been pretty good and I'm very excited to show you what that looks like at the end of this 3 months. So yeah, that's where I'm at with my 4 weeks. If you guys are on this journey, let me know where you're up to with yours. And if you have any tips in terms of beard growth or beard maintenance that I just certainly don't know about because I am a rookie, please let me know in the comment section below because it would really help me out, okay? Also, remember to stay tuned for Wednesday because I'll be doing a video where I'm applying both of these products, the minoxidil and the elixir on my beard, just to see how they go. I'm pretty sure they're a daily thing. This here is a 1 month stint, same with the elixir. So doing this bloody beard growth journey has come with a lot of daily practices and remembrances that I need to stay on top of. So I wasn't expecting that. However, I've taken on the challenge and I am in. Okay, I'm in this. Hold me accountable. All right, cool. I'll see you on Wednesday for the using of those products. And I hope you have a great week this week and I'll talk to you later. Bye.